Guys, I don't know about you, but it's like day 39 of quarantine for us, and my house is getting a little bit messy. I find things like Pop Tart wrappers and chip bags and shoes and dirty laundry all over my house. And so, what if my kids gave me a little allowance negotiation? They wanted to do some extra chores for some money. So, here's the problem I'm going to pose for you today. So, suppose that you decide to negotiate with your family for an allowance. Your room's going to be spotless. You're going to clean the toilets. You're going to mop and vacuum the floor, and you're going to even do the laundry. That means not only put it through the washer and the dryer, but you're going to fold it and put it away. And for your services, you tell your family that you're going to work for pennies, literally. So on the first day, you say, you know what? Just give me 1 penny for my services. And then the next day, double it. Give me 2 pennies. And then the next day, let's double it again. Give me 4 pennies. And then 8 pennies and 16 and so on. So after 5 days, you make 1 cent plus 2 cents plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, a total of 31 cents. You tell your family, this is a steal. You should totally hire me. And they decide that they're going to pay you for 30 days. My question for you is how much money in total would you make after 30 total days? Let me know and maybe try that negotiation with your parents and see if they fall for your trick. For this, you can use paper, pencil, and a calculator. Good luck.